Hey, I'm gonna show you how to rebuild the Mark IV dog bone mount for your engine. So, hi Chance.
Hey guys.
All right, so this is what this bad boy looks like. We cleaned it up, of course, because it was pretty filthy, but it's a 16 on the end. So you just use your impact, buzz that guy off, comes apart like that. Separates like that. And then here's our replacement bushings, which I got for 25 bucks. So you just kind of match the marks there on the mount itself, just like so. Yeah, and now you put that guy on. And the little guy, which matches that lid over there. Now this would be a lot easier if you actually had a vise, but we're using these bad boys instead. But they do the job.
That's off.
It's not off. That's why we did it. This lid? No, this bottom one. Was it? Out there, and then one up there.
One eternity later.
That should give you the ability to thread it in. Then use a wrench to get it on first. Just make sure you didn't cross thread it. And she's all done.